Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, Course Director for Tutomaash.com. In this video, we will see how to create a surface or shear wall in Staad.Pro. The surface command is used to resist in-plane shear and bending moment as in case of shear wall. And shear wall in structural engineering is a structural system composed of braced panels, also known as shear panels, to counter the effects of lateral load acting on a structure. Wind and seismic loads are the most common loads that shear walls are designed to carry. Here you can see few buildings having shear walls. This part is a shear wall. It's also called as reinforced concrete walls. There is another example. You can see shear walls in most of the high-rise buildings to resist earthquake loads and wind loads. So lateral loads are the load acting in global x-axis and z-axis. So here we have two diagrams. Diagram A represents how building responds to the lateral load in x and z-axis in case of earthquake. And we have diagram B, which explains how the building responds when there is a wind pressure that is exposed in a particular area. So in Staad.Pro, we will see how to create shear walls using surface command. Start with a new project. Length unit is meter, force unit is kilonewton. Press next. Add beam and finish. So I'll close this window, snap node beam. Create a structure using structural wizard. Go to geometry. Run structural wizard. Change the model type to frame models. Select a bay frame. Change the properties. I'm changing the width to 10 meter and base to 3 meter. Press apply. Go to file. Merge model with Staad.Pro model. In this building, I'm going to create a shear wall in this face. To create a surface or shear wall, you need to click on Geometry and click on Add Surface. And now you can see your cursor has changed. To create a shear wall, you need to start with the node. Click here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to click the place where you start, 5. So this is how a shear wall is created. The same procedure need to be done in this face as well. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see another shear wall is created. Now we are going to draw a shear wall in second floor. So when you create a shear walls, you need to click on the nodes. So in a complex structure, sometimes you may mistakenly select other nodes as well. This will create a wrong shear walls in a structure. So if you want to get a perfect view to create a shear wall, you need to click on the front view. Take the geometry cursor. Geometry cursor will help you to select every geometry that you created in the structure, like beams, shear walls, plate, everything it will select. So select geometry cursor, select this area, then right click and say new view. And you will get two options: create a new window for the view or display the view in the active window. So I'm going with display the view in active window. Press OK. Now you can see that particular selected area is now visible. Go to isometric view. Now it's very easy for you to create the shear wall. You can go to geometry, click add surface and start creating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have done with creating the shear walls. Once you're done, you can close this window and click on this beam option again, and you can see the shear wall is created. The same procedure can be done to create shear wall in all the faces. So that's the end of the session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedbacks, and for more videos, please log into www.tutomaash.com. Thank you.